Hello students, in the previous video I have done up to 13C of class 9 chapter 13 and today I am starting 13D. Here the question number 1 is find the volume of a right circular cylinder of height 21 cm and base radius 5 cm. In my previous video I have told you the formula of volume of a cylinder which is pi r square h. Here in this case radius is 5 cm, height is 21 cm. So volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius square. Radius is 5. So it will be 5 into 5 into 21 as height is 21. 22, 5 into 5, 25. And these 7 and 21, if I cancel, it will become 3. So 22 into 3, it will be 66 into 25. If I multiply, it will be 1650 centimeter cube. Therefore, required volume of the cylinder is 1650 centimeter cube. Question number 2. The diameter of a cylinder is 28 centimeter and its height is 40 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. In this question, diameter is given. Here, diameter is 28 centimeter. As radius is half of diameter, therefore radius r is 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. And it is given height h is 40 centimeter. Therefore volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 14. So it will be 14 into 14 into 40. Now 7 to the 14. So we can write 22 into 14 to the 28 into 40. Now 22 into 28 into 40, it will give 1120. And if I multiply 1120 with 22, it will be 24640 centimeter cube. Therefore, required volume of the cylinder is 24,640 centimeter cube. Question number 3 is the curved surface area of a cylinder is 4,400 centimeter square and the circumference of its base is 110 centimeter. Find the height and the volume of the cylinder. Now, in this question, it is given that curved surface area of the cylinder is 4,400 centimeter square and the circumference of the base, this part, it is given 110 centimeter. We want to find the height and the volume of the cylinder. In the question it is given circumference of the base is 110 centimeter and we know formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 110. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 110. 2 into 22, it will be 44 by 7r is 110. So r equals to 110 into 7 by 44. This 7 will go in the numerator and 44 will come in the denominator. Now if I cancel by 11, 11 4 ja 44 and 11 10 ja 110. So radius will be 7 into 10, 70 by 4. If I cancel again by 2, it will become 35 by 2 centimeter. Again it is given curved surface area of the cylinder is 4,400. Curved surface area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi rh equals to 4,400. So 2 pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 35 by 2 into h is 4,400. Now 7 5 ja 35. These 2 and these 2 can be cancelled. So we are left with 22 into 5, which will give 110 h equals to 4400. So h equals to 440 by 110. This 00 can be cancelled. 440 by 11, it will give 40. Therefore, height of the cylinder is 40 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius already we got 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 because it is r square, so we have to write twice, into height also we got 40. This 35 can be cancelled by 7, it will become 5. This 2 and 22 can be cancelled, it will be 11. And 2 and 40 if I cancel, it will become 20. Now 5 into 11, it will give 55. 35 into 20, it will be 700. 700 into 55, it will give 38500 centimeter cube. Therefore, required volume of the cylinder is 38500 centimeter cube and height of the cylinder is 40 centimeter. Question number 4. The sum of the height and radius of the base of a solid cylinder is 37 meter. If the total surface area of the cylinder be 1628 meter square, find its volume. Suppose this is the cylinder in which radius is r meter and height is h meter, as given in the question, sum of the radius and height is 37 meter. So h plus r equal to 37 meter. Let it be equation number 1. Now again it is given, if the total surface area of the cylinder is 1628 meter square. So here we can write total surface area is 1628. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r h plus r equals to 1628. 2 pi is 22 by 7 into r. H plus r as given in the question 37, we can write directly 37 equals to 1628. So r equals to 1628. This 7 will come in the numerator. 2, 22 and 37 will come in the denominator. Now 1628 can be cancelled by 2. It will be 814. If I cancel 814 by 22, it will become 37, and this 37 will cancel. As a result, we are going to get radius equals to 7 meter. Now from 1 we know height plus radius, this is equals to 37. Height plus radius we got 7 is 37. Therefore height of the cylinder is 37 minus 7. Therefore height is 30 meter. Now we have to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius we got 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into height is 30. This 7 and this 7 can be cancelled. If I cancel, then it will be 22 into 7. It will be 154 into 30. 154 into 30 is 4620 meter cube, which is the required volume. Question number 5 is, the ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. Find the volume of the cylinder if its total surface area is 616 cm square. Suppose this is the cylinder whose radius is r and height is h. In the question it is given that curved surface area of cylinder by total surface area of the cylinder is 1/2. Now curved surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi rh. Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r equals to 1/2. 2 pi r can be cancelled. So it will be h divided by h plus r equals to 1/2. If I cross multiply, twice h equals to h plus r. So twice h minus h, it will become h equals to r. Therefore height and radius of the cylinder both are same. Let it be equation number 1. Now as given in the question, ratio of the curved surface area of the cylinder by total surface area of the cylinder is 1/2. So we can write curved surface area of the cylinder is half into total surface area. So we can write here that curved surface area of the cylinder is half of total surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi rh equals to half into total surface area of cylinder is 616. If I cancel 616 by 2, it will be 308. So 2 pi r, since r and h both are equal, so instead of h I can write r equals to 308. So 2 pi is 22 by 7, r square will be 308. So r square equals to 308 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. If I cancel 308 by 22, it will become 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. So r square equal to 7 square, which will give r equal to 7. Since radius is 7, therefore height is also 7, because we got radius and height both are equal. Now we want to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. So it will be 22 by 7 into r square, 7 into 7 into height is also 7. This 7 can be cancelled. 22 into 7, it will be 154 into 7. If I multiply, it will be 1078 centimeter cube. Therefore, required volume of the cylinder is 1078 centimeter cube. Question number 6. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio of 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio of 5:3. Calculate the ratio of the volumes and the ratio of the curved surfaces. As given in the question, the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. So we can consider radius of the first cylinder be twice r and radius of the second cylinder be 3r. Again it is given that their heights are in the ratio of 5:3. So we can consider height of the first cylinder be 5h and height of the second cylinder be 3h. Now we have to calculate the ratio of their volumes. So volume of first cylinder by volume of the second cylinder, it is pi r1 square h1 by pi r2 square h2. Now R1 we have considered twice R, so it will be twice R square into H1 we got 5H, R2 square, R2 we got 3R, so it will be 3R square into 3H. So 2 2 ja 4, 4R square into 5H, 3 3 ja 9, 9R square into 3H. This R square can be cancelled, this H also can be cancelled. So 4 5 ja 20, 3 9 ja 27. So ratio of volumes will be 20:27. Now we have to calculate the ratio of the curved surface area. So curved surface area of first cylinder by curved surface area of second cylinder, it will be 2 pi R1 H1 by 2 pi R2 H2. For the first cylinder, radius is twice R, height is 5H. For the second cylinder, radius is 3R and height is 3H. R and R can be cancelled, H and H can be cancelled. 5 2 ja 10, 3 3 ja 9. Therefore, required ratio of curved surfaces will be 10:9. Question number 7. Ratio between the radius of the base and the height of a cylinder is 2:3. Find the total surface area of the cylinder if its volume is 1617 centimeter cube. Suppose this is the cylinder, radius is R, height is H. Now according to the question, it is given ratio between the radius of the base and the height is 2:3. So we can write R by H is 2/3. So radius equals to 2/3 of H. Let it be equation number 1. As given in the question, volume of the cylinder is 1617. Volume of the cylinder is pi R square H is 1617. Pi is 22/7 into R we got 2/3 of H. So it will be 2/3 of H whole square into H equals to 1617. 22/7, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. H square into H, it will be H cube equal to 1617. Therefore H cube equals to 1617 into 7 into 9 divided by 22 into 4. If I cancel 1617 and 22 by 11, here it will be 2 and here it will be 147. Now 147, it will be 3 into 7 into 7. So we can write H cube equals to, instead of 147, we can write 7 into 7 into 3, 7 into 7 into 3 into 7, 9 is 3 square and here 2 into 4 is 2 square. So H cube equals to 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube into 3 into 3 square, it will be 3 cube divided by 2 cube. Therefore H will be cube root of 7 into 3 by 2 whole cube. This 3 and cube root will cancel. So we are left with H equals to 7 into 3 by 2. 3 7 are 21. So it will be 21 by 2 centimeter. From equation number 1, radius is 2/3 of H. So it will be 2/3 of H is 21 by 2. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. And 3 7 are 21. So radius is 7 centimeter. Therefore total surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi R H plus R. 2 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Height is 21 by 2 plus 7. This 7 and this 7 can be cancelled. So 2 into 22, it will be 44. Here it is 7 by 1. If I take the LCM of 2 and 1, it will be 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 21, 21 plus 2 divided by 1, 2. 7 2 are 14. So it will be 44 into 35. 14 plus 21 will give 35 by 2. Again 2 and 44 can be cancelled. It will be 22. 22 into 35, it will be 770 centimeter square. Question number 8. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meter square and its volume is 924 meter cube. Find the diameter and the height of the pillar. Suppose this is a cylinder whose radius is R and height is H. Now in the question it is given curved surface area is 264. Therefore 2 pi RH equal to 264 meter square. Let it be equation number 1. Again it is given volume of the cylinder is 924 meter cube. So pi R square H is 924 meter cube. Let it be equation number 2. Now if I divide equation number 2 by equation number 1, it will be pi R square H by 2 pi RH equal to 924 by 264. Now pi can be cancelled, H can be cancelled, 1 R can be cancelled. So we are left with R by 2 equals to 924 by 264. If I cancel by 4, 4 6 are 24. Again 24, 4 6 are 24. And here if I cancel by 4, it will be 231. So we got R by 2 equal to 231 by 66. If I cancel by 11, it will be 6. And if I cancel by 11, it will be 2 11 are 22. 21 by 6. Again if I cancel by 3, 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja. So we got r by 2 equal to 7 by 2. So r equal to 7 by 2 into 2, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So radius equal to 7 meter. Now we have to calculate height. For this we are going to replace this value in equation number 1. So 2 pi rh is 264. So 2 pi is 22 by 7 into h is 264. This 7 and 7 can be cancelled. So h equal to 264 divided by 2 into 22, 44. 264 divided by 44, it will be 6. For height is 6 meter. Now we have to calculate diameter and height. Diameter is twice of radius. We got radius is 7. Therefore diameter is 2 into 7. It is 14 meter and height equals to 6 meter. Question number 9. Find the weight of a lead pipe 3.5 meter long if the external diameter of the pipe is 2.4 centimeter and the thickness of the lead is 2 millimeter and 1 cubic centimeter of lead weighs 10 gram. Suppose this is the lead pipe where height is 3.5 meter. Here it is given external diameter is 2.4 centimeter and thickness of the pipe is 2 millimeter. Here height is equal to 3.5 meter. If you convert into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. So 3.5 into 100, it will be 350 centimeter. Again, external diameter is given 2.4 centimeter. So external radius r, that is starting from this point up to this much, this is capital R. External radius r will be 2.4 by 2, that is 1.2 centimeter. And thickness, it is given 2 millimeter. If we convert to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. So it will be 0.2 centimeter. Therefore, internal radius starting from this up to this much, this is the internal radius. External radius we got 1.2 and thickness we got 0.2 centimeter. Here internal radius will be external radius minus thickness. External radius is 1.2 centimeter and thickness is 0.2 centimeter. So if I subtract 1.2 minus 0.2, it will give 1 centimeter. Therefore internal radius is 1 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of the pipe. It will be external volume minus internal volume. It will be pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. If I take pi h common, we are left with capital R square minus small r square. So pi is 22 by 7, height is 350, r square 1.2 square minus small r, which is the internal radius, it is 1 square. Now 7 and 350 can be cancelled. It will be 50. 22 into 50 is 1100. 1.2 square is 1.44 minus 1. 1100 into 1.00 minus 1, it will be 0.44. If I multiply, it will be 484 centimeter cube. Now in the question it is given mass of 1 centimeter cube is 10 gram. Therefore mass of 484 centimeter cube, it will be 10 into 484 gram. If I multiply, it will give 4840 gram, which is the mass of the lead pipe. Question number 10. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to sink a well 14 meter deep and 4 meter in diameter? What will be its cost to plaster its inner surface at the rate of rupees 2.50 per square meter? Suppose this is the well. This height is 14 meter and diameter is 4 meter. So we can write height comma h equal to 14 meter. Diameter is 4 meter. So radius will be half of diameter, 4 by 2, that is 2 meter. If you want to calculate how much of earth is collected by digging, then we have to calculate its volume. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7. Radius already calculated 2. So it will be 2 into 2. Height is 14. 7 2 ja 14. So 22 into 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. If I multiply, 176 meter cube. So this much of volume of earth is collected while digging. Now curved surface area of the well, it will be 2 pi rh. 2 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2. Height is 14. 7 2 ja 14. So it will be 22 into 2 into 2 4. 4 2 ja 8. If I multiply, it will be 176 meter square. Now we have to plaster the curved surface. Since here area is 176 meter square and it is given cost of plastering 1 meter square is rupees 2.50. Therefore cost of plastering 176 meter square will be rupees 2.50 into 176, because while plastering we are to plaster the curved surface. If I multiply, it will be 440. Therefore cost of plastering is 440 rupees. Therefore, volume of earth to be dug will be 176 meter cube and cost of plastering is rupees 440. As this is the last sum from this exercise, so that's all for today. In the next video, I am going to start 13E.